So these are the following three paid surveys that you can use in order for you to get paid and have your passive income. So first is the Lives Plan. So download the Lives Plan on Google. I mean, in App Store. So if you're using a smartphone or the what we call that one, the smartphone or the other phone, what you call that, so you can comment below in the App Store. If you are on the iPhone, use the iOS. So download the Lives Plan on these following apps, and you can start doing this survey. So just click the survey button in the section. So yes, in this paid surveys app, this not guarantee you that you can get the surveys daily. So sometimes you can get the surveys, but most likely it didn't happen as it is. So minsan lang siya magbibigay yung Lives Plan ng certain service sa'yo, but but these surveys, anong naka-advantage lang sa kanya is that you can just get 253 points, and by that you can receive 500 pesos. That is through PayPal, and you can send it if you have your GCash for you to cash in or cash out. I mean, to cash it out. So in Lives Plan, ang naka-advantage siya sa kanya is hindi siya araw-araw nagbibigay sa iyo ng surveys, or kung magbibigay man siya ng surveys is that meron ding kaunti lang yung points na ibibigay niya, and meron ding kung matsambahan mo lang siya, bibigyan ka niya ng isang malaking points for that Lives Plan. So aside from Lives Plan of paid service, another green flag for me from this aside from this paid service, that the usage of the Milieu. So you can download the Milieu app on iOS if you're an iPhone user. If you use the smartphone, go to your Google Play Store to download it. So I have already the Milieu. Among the three that I mentioned to you, this Milieu is the most green flag for me. So if I'm gonna choose these three paid surveys, I'm gonna use the Milieu app, because Milieu app gives you a daily surveys. So you can get but ang naka-advantage lang sa kayo is that you can get 26,000 points for you to get 500. You can get 12,000 points in order for you to get 200 pesos. But okay na rin siya dahil araw-araw man may surveys, and ang bibigay niya sa iyo ng points is mga nasa 120 points, meron ding 5 points. At yung mga 120 points na yan is daily yan siya. Minsan tagdadalawahan na 120 points sa iyo. So use the Milieu app for you to get 500 pesos, but you can before you get 500 pesos, kailangan mo nang meron kang 26,000 points for you to earn that 500 pesos. Pero okay na rin siya. That's why I said this is the most green flag for me. So download it now. So number 3 paid surveys that I recommend you is the Grab Points. So if you have a very low storage on your phone, you can sign in the Grab Points on Google Chrome. So sign in the Google Chrome. Pwede na rin, hindi ka na mag-download ng app for you to not be full to your storage. So Grab Points really gives you a earn money. So you need to have there's a specific certain points that you can get in order for you to earn 500 pesos. So that is mga 1,000 na ng mga points. But okay na rin siya. Ang naka-disadvantage lang dito, or ang cons lang kay Grab Points, is that hindi siya araw-araw nagbibigay ng points, ng surveys. Meron lang siyang specific surveys, but minsan sinasabihan kanya na hindi ka qualified sa surveys na to. And ano din yung notice ni Grab Points is that yung mga red flags ni Grab Points, may hint na niya na nagmamadali ka sa pagsagot ng iyong surveys, or meron ding nahihint din niya na yung mga surveys mo are hindi akma doon sa sinagot mo na surveys sa una pa lang. So nahihint niya. So because of that, pwede kanyang i-ban, or you will not be given a surveys for you to answer. So dito sa Grab Points, hindi siya literally or hindi siya consistently nagbibigay sa iyo ng surveys or a surveys that is related to you, or ikaw yung hinahanap na participants nila dyan. So once again, these following something paid surveys that you can utilize or you can patronize are a very green flag for me na mga paid surveys. So you can consider it as your passive income while you're still working with your main job. So buti na lang dito sa mga ano na to, sa mga paid surveys na to, is that you can earn 500 by just answering surveys, but at the same time hindi siya nagagaranti sa iyo ng nagbibigay sa'yo ng araw-araw na survey. So these three, as I mentioned a while ago, the Milieu app is the very green flag for me, kasi araw-araw siya nagbibigay sa'yo ng surveys, pero yun nga, you can you should earn a 26,000 points for you to earn 500 pesos, 12,000 so that you can earn 200 pesos. So download the Milieu app right now, or you can also sign into your Google Chrome kung full storage na kayo, as well as the Life plan. So these surveys, paid surveys, helps you earn money while still you are working on your main job. So actually there are a lot of paid surveys out there, but have some time or have some, I recommend you to utilize these paid surveys para maka-earn din kayo. So just comment below kung meron pa kayong alam na mga paid surveys, so that I myself would patronize that one. So once again, thank you for watching these mini vlogs. So watch out for more episodes.